Making mini woodworking projects for profit offers numerous advantages that extend beyond the financial aspects. This approach allows artisans to hone their skills, foster creativity, and engage with customers in meaningful ways. As the demand for unique, handmade items continues to grow, many woodworking projects emerge as an attractive option for both hobbyists and serious woodworkers looking to make a profit. One of the primary benefits of creating mini woodworking projects is the lower cost of materials. Smaller projects typically require less wood, which translates to reduced material expenses. This affordability makes it easier for artisans to experiment with different designs and techniques without the financial burden associated with larger projects. For those just starting in woodworking, this lower barrier to entry can encourage them to explore their craft more freely, fostering a spirit of creativity and innovation. These smaller projects also allow for quicker turnaround times. In a world where consumers often seek immediate gratification, the ability to complete a project quickly can be a significant advantage. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of mini woodworking project ideas you can make for high profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Many woodworking items can be made in a fraction of the time it takes to create larger pieces, enabling artisans to produce more items in a given period. This efficiency can lead to increased sales opportunities, especially in markets where unique, handmade goods are in high demand. The ability to rapidly create and sell products can also help woodworkers better respond to seasonal trends and consumer preferences. The simplicity of many woodworking projects often encourages creativity and experimentation. With less material at stake, artisans may feel more inclined to take risks with their designs. This freedom allows for the exploration of new techniques, styles, and concepts that might not be feasible with larger projects. The diverse range of possibilities can lead to the development of unique and innovative products, setting artisans apart in a crowded market. This creative exploration not only enhances the quality of their work, but also boosts their confidence as they see their skills improve. Moreover, the process of creating mini woodworking projects can contribute to skill development. As artisans work on smaller items, they have the opportunity to refine their techniques and learn new skills in a more manageable format. Each completed project serves as a stepping stone, allowing individuals to gradually build their expertise. This continual learning process fosters a sense of accomplishment, motivating artisans to tackle more complex projects as their skills advance. The mastery of various techniques can lead to higher quality products, which in turn can command better prices in the market. Engagement with customers is another significant advantage of many woodworking projects. Smaller items are often more accessible to consumers, making them an ideal entry point for individuals who may be hesitant to invest in larger pieces. This accessibility can lead to increased sales and the opportunity to build a loyal customer base. When individuals purchase smaller items, they often feel more inclined to return for future purchases, especially if they are satisfied with the quality and craftsmanship. Building relationships with customers can enhance the overall experience for both the artisan and the buyer, fostering a sense of community around handmade goods. Additionally, many woodworking projects can serve as effective marketing tools. Unique and eye-catching items can attract attention at craft fairs, markets, or online platforms. Artisans can leverage the visual appeal of their work to create engaging displays that draw in potential customers. Smaller pieces often lend themselves well to impulse buying, as consumers may be more willing to make a quick purchase when the item is affordable and visually appealing. This ability to sell items quickly can help artisans recoup their costs and generate profit more efficiently. The portability of many woodworking projects is another significant benefit. Smaller items are easier to transport, whether to craft shows, markets, or even between workshops. This convenience allows artisans to reach a wider audience and participate in various selling opportunities without the logistical challenges associated with larger pieces. The ability to showcase their work in different venues can increase visibility and expand their customer base, ultimately leading to greater sales potential. Moreover, creating many woodworking projects can be a gateway to exploring different woodworking styles and techniques. Artisans can experiment with various approaches, such as carving, turning, or joinery, without the pressure of committing to a larger project. This exploration can lead to the discovery of new interests and passions, ultimately enhancing the woodworker's skill set. As artisans become more versatile in their abilities, they can expand their offerings and appeal to a broader range of customers. The emotional satisfaction derived from creating many woodworking projects should not be overlooked. The act of transforming raw materials into functional and beautiful objects can be deeply rewarding. Each completed project serves as a tangible representation of the artisan's creativity and effort, fostering a sense of pride in their work. This emotional connection can enhance overall well-being and motivate artisans to continue honing their craft. The joy of creating can be infectious, inspiring artisans to share their passion with others and contribute to a broader appreciation for woodworking. Additionally, many woodworking projects can promote mindfulness and presence. Engaging in the detailed work of crafting smaller items encourages artisans to focus on the task at hand, allowing for a meditative experience. This mindfulness can provide a welcome escape from the stresses of daily life, offering a sense of calm and tranquility. The tactile nature of woodworking invites individuals to immerse themselves in the moment, fostering a deeper connection to their creative process. Another advantage of focusing on mini projects is the potential for customization. Smaller items can be easily personalized to meet the preferences of individual customers. This ability to create bespoke pieces can enhance the perceived value of the products, allowing artisans to command higher prices. Customization options can include engraving, unique finishes, or variations in design, further appealing to consumers looking for something special. This personalized approach can create lasting relationships with customers, encouraging repeat business and referrals. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked mini woodworking project ideas you can make for high profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.